Hello students. Now chapter 8 has been prepared. Peasants, Jamidar and the states. All important MCQs. First battle of Panipat was fought between A. Babur and Daulat Khan Lodi, Babur and Rana Sanga, Babur and Sikandar Lodi, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. First battle of Panipat was fought in 26. Yes, correct answer is Babur and the Ibrahim Lodi. Next, the peasant who had belonged to another village called Paikast, Amin, Rayat, Khudkast belonged to another village called, yes, correct answer is Khudkast. Next, why was Bengal famous for during Mughal period? Cotton, sugar, maize, none of these. During Mughal period, Bengal was famous for sugar. Next, Nadir Shah had invaded India and sacked Delhi in 1737, 1837, 1739, 1735. Correct answer is 1739. Next, Babarnama was written in Arabic, Persian, Urdu, Turkey. Babarnama was written in Turkish language. See next, the peasants who had 10 acres land called Jama, Rayat, Sharaf, Asmi. 10 acres land called peasants were called Asmi. See next, Akbar and his nobles came across tobacco first time in 1570, 1604, 1568, 1580. Tobacco first time in 1604 in period of Akbar. See next, who was appointed official of peace and law? Amin, Wazir, Nayab, Jamidars. Official for peace and law. Yes, it was Amin. See next. Akbarnama was completed by Abul Fazl in 1579, 1589, 1598, 1603. Akbarnama was completed in 1598 by Abul Fazl. See next, who was money changer in Mughal period? Goldsmith, Nagar Seth, big merchant, Sharaf, money changer. He had played the crucial role. He was Sharaf. Next, which traveler had described about money? Tavernier, Bernier, Duarte Barbosa, Domingo Pace. Traveler had described about money. Yes, it was Tavernier. See next. In which language Ain Akbari in translated? English, Arabic, Turkish, Hindi and Urdu. Ain Akbari translated in English is the correct answer. See next. Which land was annually cultivated in period of Akbar? Paroti, Polas, Chacha, Khudkast. Annually cultivated. Yes, it was Polas. Next, how many Subes under Akbar's rule? 12, 13, 14, 15. How many Subes under Akbar? Yes, correct answer is 15 Subes under Akbar reign. Next, Mansadari had belonged to in Mughal period? Jagirs, military cum bureaucracy, none of these. Yes, military cum bureaucracies. Next, what was the main source of income in the Mughal Empire? Tax of craftsmen, land revenue, export import. None of these. Main source of Mughals. Yes, it was land revenue. See next. In which Mughal emperor's period Italian traveler had visited India? Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, Jahangir, Akbar. Italian traveler. Yes, correct answer is Aurangzeb. According to the Ain is made the first book called Daftars, Sipah Abadi, Mulk Abadi, Manjil Abadi. Ain Akbari, the first part. Yes, correct answer is Manjil Abadi. See next. What had come in large quantity paying for goods exported from India? Gold, precious stones, silver, horses. Large quantity. Yes, it was silver. Who was appointed to collect revenue on behalf of the king? Jamidars, Milkiyat, agriculture official, Patil caste. Yeah, correct answer is Jamidar. See next. Tujuke Jahangiri was written in Persian language, Arabic, Urdu, Turkey. Tujuke Jahangiri, period of 1605 to 1627. It was in Persian language. Bashanama had belonged to Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Bashanama had belonged to Shah Jahan. Next, Ahmad Shah Abdali had defeated the Maratha in 1741, 51, 61, 71. Yeah, it is known to Third Battle of Panipat. It was fought 1761. Next, Ahom Kingdom had belonged to Assam, Gajpati, Bijapur, Golconda. Yes, Ahom, yes, belonged to Assam. Next, which Mughal emperor had discontinued opium? Jahangir, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. Yes, Jahangir had discontinued opium trade in Mughal Empire. Next, who has translated a volume first of Ain in English? H.S. Jarrett, H.H. Cole, Henry Blochman, Henry Paul. Yeah, it was H.S. Jarrett. Next, Amin was appointed in Mughal Empire as head of cavalry, Subedar, revenue assessor, tax collector. Amin. Yes, it was revenue assessor. See next. Who was Kanungo in Mughal period? Qazi, finance officer, Tehsildar, maintain revenue paper. Kanungo, yes, it was specialist in maintain revenue papers. Which won the correct meaning of Jeans a Kamil concerning crops in Mughal India? Perfect crop, pulses, crop grown in the arid zone, paddy crop. Jeans a Kamil. Yes, it was perfect crop. Next, who had introduced Japti system? Raja Man Singh, Raja Todermal, Abul Fazl, Jahangir. Japti. Yes, it was introduced by Raja Todermal. Yeah, see next. Japti system was introduced for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Japti system. Yes, it was introduced for 10 years in Mughal period. Next, Humayunama was written by Abul Fazl, Humayun, Gulbadan Begum, Noorjahan. Humayunama was written by Gulbadan Begum. She was daughter of Baba. Abul Fazl was appointed in court of Akbar as Akbar's commander, court poet of Akbar, Akbar's administrative officer, court historian of Akbar. Yes, Abul Fazl was historian in court of Akbar. Next, agriculture was the basis part of society. Village, money, farm, labor. Agriculture was basic part of society. It was village. What was the Nasak or Kankur system in Mughal? Maintained the army, irrigation officer, record of agriculture tax, support to the farmers. Yeah, it was record of agriculture tax. See next. Which officer was responsible for supervising the fiscal system of the Mughal Empire? Amin, Diwan, Wazir, Adimai. Supervising fiscal system, it was Diwan. Yes, see next. Which two southern provinces were added by Aurangzeb in Mughal Empire? Ahmednagar and Bidar, Barar and Bidar, Bijapur and Ahmednagar, Bijapur and Golconda. Yes, two new states were added by Bijapur and Golconda. Barnier had visited India in period of Akbar, Jahangir, Humayun, Shahjahan. Barnier, Francis Barnier. Yes, in period of Shahjahan. Next, Bairam Khan had related to Humayun and Akbar, Hemu and Sher Shah Suri, Akbar and Jahangir, Jahangir and Shahjahan. Bairam Khan, army commander of Humayun, related to Humayun and Akbar.